Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is lookup table variables. So what is it? Let's have a glance at it. A lookup table variable is a user defined variable in Google Tag Manager. Okay. As the name suggests, this is the type of variable is used to look up for the value that matches a given input pattern. Okay, so I must tell you that it is a very useful. These are very useful as they rewrite an existing variable into a new variable. Okay, so what it does is it has a value and it matches the lookup table for this values. As soon as it matches the value, so it changes the name of that, the same, like the variable we have. Okay, let me show you one diagram. Like we have this url path, so we'll pass it to the lookup table, and suppose we have this hello. So our hello, if our the URL path matches this, then it will turn into greetings, and our new variable will be named as greetings. Okay, so the URL should have an exact match. For example, if I've written this slash hello and then I add a slash here, so it will create some problem. So it should be an exact match. Okay, and we have it here like if the condition is true, that means the URL matches, the URL path matches, then show the output, then give the output like the new variable name as greetings. Okay, so let's see what this practically mean is. We are at our Google Tag Manager. The first thing we will do is we will create a variable. So we'll scroll down to user defined variables, we will click a new here. Okay, and we will have this lookup table over here. Okay, so I have created one. Let's have a look. Okay, look up social media. Yeah, so we have created a social media lookup table. Input variable is click URL. That means it will work when I click on this Instagram. It is basically an outbound link, and we have entered the input. What we will get after we click this, for example, yeah, this thing. Okay, so and our label will be named as Instagram. Okay, we will create a new variable with it. So let's see, the variable is ready. And if you are someone who needs it for a multiple, say I'm using it for multiple social media icons. For example, I'm having this Facebook here, Twitter here, Pinterest here. So I can, what basically do is I can add rows here like this, this. Okay, you can add as many as rows. So for this purpose, I'm only using one. Now, after we are done with discussions, after we are done with this, go to your trigger. I had already created an outbound link, so I just, what I did is just modified it. So we had a custom event. We named it click over here, and some events look up social media. That is our variable should equals Instagram. Okay, and then sometimes one what happens is the problem I face here is I was actually working with these just link events, and initially it was working well, but then I started facing some issues. Then I checked my, you can say this debug mode, and then I checked the filters over here, and the event what I was working on was click, but I was accessing here link click. So there's a difference between a click and a link click. Okay, so it was initially creating problems, and then I made a custom event here and named it click. So you can try experimenting those things. It will you will get it more clear. Okay, so it should equals Instagram. Then I made a tag here and connected all these things on my tag. Like the tag is external link tag, and yeah, so I had this event category lookup table, and click URL and label as the lookup social media. So this will be our the way we will check this. Our label will get changed, and the rest is the same. So what we did is we come here, and let's say we are here. Okay. So as soon as I click the Instagram, my page gets open, and we have this outbound click here. Okay, that is our event. When we click is we see a tag is fired, and if we go up here, so yes, the label is now changed to Instagram. Okay, so in this way we can check it out, like if we are having our lookup table is working. So I guess this is it for this video. You must try this on, and thank you. Have a nice day.